Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have discussed about consumer price index or cost of living index by using two methods, aggregative expenditure method and also family budget method. In this video, we are going to know about the same topic by different type of solution. Let us know about the problem. Compute CLI, cost of living index, using family budget method. Family budget method. Let us know about what are the given information. First they are given information of items. Next they are given information of 2000 price and quantity and 2004 price. So 2 years information is there. The first year information we can consider as a base year. Base year price we can denote as a P naught. Base year quantity we can denote as a Q naught. Next current year price they are given P1. Generally we know that when they are given information of quantities, we should apply aggregative expenditure method. But in this problem they already mentioned we should apply the family budget method. So family budget method means we require information of W. We require information of weightage information. But in this problem they are not given information of W, but we should give a solution based on the family budget method. Okay students, when they are not given in family budget method solution, so we can easily give a solution based on the aggregative expenditure method, but they are mentioned here. We have to give a solution family budget method only, but we require information of W. When they are not given information of W in the problem, the W is equal to the base values, means P naught, price of the base and quantities of base. Weightage is equal to the P naught and Q naught. Okay students, this is P naught and Q naught. We have to multiplication of this. So that is the value of weightage. Okay students, let us know about how to solve this problem. First, we should write down as it is the given information. Solution for this problem. First they are given information of items A, B, C, D, E. Next they are given information of 2000 year, means base year information of price, means P naught. P naught we should write down one by one. 200, 60, 50, 20, 70. Next they are given information of base year quantity. Base year quantity we can denote as a Q naught. So we should write down as it is 30, 10, 25, 30, 40. Next they are given information of current year price, means P1. The values are 220, 60, 40, 20, 70. These are the given information in a problem. We should apply the family budget method. We should apply the solution by using family budget method. We already know about that. The formula for family budget method, CLI, cost of living index, is equal to summation of WP divided by summation of W. So first we require information of W and also P. P means price relative. P means price relative. So there is a formula for price relative. We already know about that. How to calculating the price? Price of the current year means P1 divided by P0, price of the base year, into 100. We will get the price. Okay students, price of the current year price means 220. 220 divided by price of the base year is 200. 220 divided by 200 into 100, we will get 110. Next, as it is, we should calculate for all the commodities or items. 60 divided by 60 into 100, we will get 100. Next, 40 divided by 50 into 100, we will get 80. Next, 20 divided by 20 into 100, we will get 100. Next, 70 divided by 70 into 100, we will get 100. This is the way of calculation the price relative. Next, we require information of W. So in this problem they are not given information of W. When they are not given information of W, so W is equal to the P0 and Q0, means base year information. So base value, it is equal to the base year value. P0 Q0 is equal to the W. Okay students, let us identify the W. W is equal to the P0 and Q0. So P0 into Q0, we have to multiplication of these values. 200 into 30, we will get 6000. Next, 60 into 10, we will get 600. Next, 50 into 25, we will get 1250. Next, 20 into 30, 20 into 30, we will get 20 into 30, we will get 600. Next, 70 into 40, we will get 280. So next we require information of summation of WP. Summation of WP. We already find out the information of W and we already find out the information of P. So we have to multiplication of this one. W into P. W into P, we will get WP. So 6000 into 110. 6000 into 110, we will get the value 6,60,000. Next, 600 into 100, we will get 60,000. Next, 1250 into 80, we will get 1 lakh. Next, 600 into 100, we will get 60,000. Next, 280 into 100, we will get 28,000. Okay students, next we have to make a total. What are the required information? Total. Summation of WP means we have to make a total of these values. Summation of WP. If I make a total of this, we will get 9,08,000. If I make a total of this WP, we will get 9,08,000. Next, we required a total of W. Summation of W. So W also here information is there. So we have to make a total of this one. Summation of W. If we make a total of this, we will get 8,730. 8,730. Okay students, required information we already find out in a table. Okay, after the creating a table, next we should apply the formula. Family budget method. Formula is summation of WP divided by summation of W. CLI is equal to summation of WP, the value is 9,08,000 divided by summation of W 8730, cost of living index. So if a simplification of that, we'll get the final answer 104.01. This is the final answer. Okay students, I think all are understood the concept. When they are not given information of W, we should identifying the W based on the given information. Okay, thank you to all.